Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and law-of-attraction-blueprint.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you the best money affirmation hack that I have to offer. Look, it worked. It works. It works every time I use it, and I wanted to share it with you guys, especially my new subscribers, my new viewers. Hey, how are you? I hope you guys are finding my content well. But before we get started, if you have used affirmations before in your life, money affirmations, morning affirmations, confidence affirmations, success affirmations, go ahead and give this video a like. In the comments, if you would like to share, what is your favorite affirmation that you use? Hopefully you can share the wealth with everyone and list your favorite affirmation below. Also, before we get started, I would like to read a quick testimonial to prove affirmations do work, okay? Some of you guys really love these for motivation. It says, I've been using your affirmations in the manifestation momentum thing ever since you put it out. I feel so good when I use them and even manifested some money. I manifested $3,500 using the affirmations and one of the scenarios you put in there. That was the purpose of me putting it together in the first place, so you guys can use it and manifest different things into your life. It'll be linked below. This is my favorite hack, and it has to do with affirmations and visualizing. I've said this before, but affirmations and visualizing to me is like Shaq and Kobe, Jordan and Pippen, LeBron and Anthony Davis, LeBron and Kyrie, LeBron and D Wade. It goes on and on and on. But these two are like a 1-2 punch to me. So hopefully you can use this technique and manifest you some money, or you can apply it to different things in your life if you really think about it, you know? Okay, so basically it's like a 3-step process. And it's really quick. You can do this throughout the day. You can do this at night. You can do this in the morning time. If you do it in the morning time, I recommend that you do it right when you wake up, but before you open your eyes, before you touch your phone, before you answer your children, do it then. If you're going to do it at night, do it as you're drifting off to sleep. Your TV is off. You're done with your phone, you're off TikTok, and you're drifting off to sleep. So use this technique. If you're just out in the middle of the day, it could be lunchtime, it could be breakfast, whatever. You can use this all throughout the day whenever you feel like it. Just whenever you feel like it or whenever you think about it. If there is a certain amount of money that you would like to manifest, then you can use this to do that. If you're a beginner and you've been wanting to know how to manifest money fast, this is my technique. This is my technique, and I'm sharing it with you guys right here, right now. Okay. First thing you do, like I said, it's 3 steps, right? First step, you choose your affirmation. Affirmation that I love to use for manifesting money is I love receiving new money, or I love receiving new payments, etc. I don't know who you are or what you have going on in your life. You can use an affirmation like, I love when people give me money. I love winning money, etc. So whatever affirmation that you choose, and you can have a couple of them back to back. Like you say, I love receiving new money. I love winning new money. I love making new payments. Whatever combination that you want to use, whatever feels good to you. So you would choose your sequence of affirmations. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever's comfortable for you. So if you were a car salesman, right, you would say something like, I love selling a car every day. I love getting a fresh commission, something to that effect. Or if you're a hairdresser, you would say, I love new clients. I love when my clients tip me well. I love when I make $1,000 in a day as a hairdresser. Whatever it is that you do. If you get paid an hourly wage, you would say something like, I love that I have a raise coming. I love when I get pay increases. I love when I find new money. I love when I get extra money on my paycheck. I love when I get a new bonus. And then when you have your string of affirmations, right, you will then visualize in that quick moment you having what you want. So if you work a 9 to 5 and you can see your check stub, visualize your check stub with extra money on it. How much would you like to see on it, right? Or if you are a car salesman, visualize yourself shaking the hand of someone who just bought a car from you. If you are a hairstylist, visualize someone giving you extra money for a tip. So you will use the affirmation, visualize yourself receiving that, and then immediately start thinking about something totally different. That's how you detach. Start thinking about something totally different than your manifestation. So what that tells the subconscious mind is like, oh shoot, they're not even dwelling on it. They're not even thinking about it. So it must be real, because I want you to think about all the different things you think about in a minute or two, right? And say you're scanning the room. You're not constantly dwelling on one thing. You keep it moving and your mind is processing this. So you want your mind to process it quickly, and then you want to move on. So if you are trying to manifest a big lump sum of money, I recommend that you say the affirmations out loud. I have manifested different amounts. I always say something for the next day or in the future, but not that far away. So for example, I've given this example before, but I have a lot of new subscribers, so you may not have heard the story. So it was the day before I threw a little get together at my house for my birthday. I invited my friends over, my family was here, my boyfriend was here, like everybody is just kicking it. We're eating my food, like, you know, we're having a good time. My sister's making drinks. It's just a kickback, you know, low key, but it's for my birthday. I was like, I would love an extra $800 in sales for my business, right? The day came and I noticed my stuff was just dry. My sales were not popping. It wasn't. I was like, but I'm not dwelling on it because it's my birthday and I'm having a good time. It's like, whatever, like keep it moving. But what ended up happening at the end of the night, my friend hands me $800 for my birthday. And some of you are probably like, okay, that's great, but when I tell you that has never happened before, nobody has ever given me that much money for my birthday. Not my grandma, not my parents, not my siblings or anything like that. So that was out of the blue and was crazy. We're standing there talking. We're outside. You know how you walk your friends outside when they're about to leave or whatever. So I walk her outside and she is counting $100 bills or whatever, but I'm not paying it on mine because until it's handed to me in my hand, my mind automatically thinks it's not for me. You could just be needing to count your money, you know? She quickly like thumbs through some $100 bills and she hands it to me. But I was like, no, I can't take this. But how she is, we're gonna go back and forth all night and it would be best if I took it, right? Because it's at this point it's like 1, 2 in the morning. So I didn't count it right then in front of her. Like, that's kind of rude. It's kind of weird to count the money right then and there, but I had to run back in the house for something. I ended up counting it, and guess how much it was? $800. So I said all that to say you have to be open-minded on how the money is going to come. I've had quite a few testimonials come to me like that where it's like, oh, somebody ended up giving me a large sum of money and I did not see that coming. Tell the universe I am open to receive money in new ways, new fun ways, new easy way, non-harmful way. I am open to receive new money. Thank you for the $100,000 that's on its way to me right now. Thank you. And you go on about your day. To do a quick recap, get your affirmation sequence. It could be one affirmation, it could be 2, 3, 4. The whole purpose is so you can feel good and you are putting your intentions out there about what you want. Visualize you receiving it right then and there, and then detach from it. Go quickly thinking about something else. It could be a movie you're watching. Snap back into your reality. You're not letting no resistance in when you quickly detach from your visualizing and your affirmations. So that is the best affirmation hack that I can give you. I love it. It works every time. If it doesn't come as fast, have faith it's going to come. Keep persisting. Keep doing it. But yeah. I'm Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal. All of my law of attraction tools are going to be linked in my description box below. If you're going to try this hack, go ahead and give this video a like. And don't forget to drop what is your favorite affirmation that you use on a regular basis. I thank y'all. I love y'all. Thank you for every share, like, comment, and donation. And until next time.